Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sharwin and I do cooking videos and K-drama review videos. So if either of those are your cup of tea, well then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my happy community here on YouTube. So the Lunar New Year is coming up and we do celebrate it here in the Philippines as well. So I figured I'll do a series of cooking videos showing off some of those Chinese Filipino dishes that we love so much. And maybe you can prepare them during your Lunar New Year celebrations. So if you grew up in Asia or you grew up with an Asian family, then you're definitely familiar with glutinous rice cakes. In the Philippines, we call them tikoy. So basically we just pan fry it and then eat it. So it's chewy, it's sweet. It's delicious, but it can get kind of boring. So usually you have a lot of tikoy left over. So that's why I created this dish to make it a little bit more exciting. So for this week, I'm gonna show you guys my new recipe, which is Tikoy Waffles or glutinous rice cake waffles. All right, enjoy! And there you go, that is my glutinous rice cakes waffle or tikoy waffles. So I can't take full credit for this dish. I actually saw K-drama superstar Rain do it on his show, The Hungry and the Hairy. So shout out to Rain. And if you guys want to take your show here to the Philippines, just hit me up. I can show you all the best places to eat. Meanwhile, if you need more recipes for your Lunar New Year celebrations, well then I recommend my book, The Gospel of Food. It's available in all ebook platforms around the world. And if you're in the Philippines, you can order it online through Shopee and Lazada. I'm going to put all of the links down there below. All right, that's it. Let me know if you guys have a recipe or a K-drama that you want me to do a video on, and I'll get right on it. In the meantime, you can watch my other videos right now.